Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. What soap do you use to wash your clothes? Do you prefer liquid or powder soap? We know that cleaning products are generally responsible for the biggest expenses. That's why we decided to share with you a recipe for homemade liquid soap for washing clothes. And the best part is that this recipe makes 3 liters. Plus, it's sustainable and contains inexpensive ingredients. The cleaning products we find in supermarkets aren't only expensive, but also contain chemicals that can cause allergic irritation and respiratory problems, such as rhinitis and sinusitis. Instead of using them, you can opt for alternatives that are more sustainable, economical, and contain fewer chemicals in their formula. To wash your clothes and those of your loved ones, forget chlorine and other bleaches. With this recipe, your clothes will be cleaner, smell better, and have bright colors. It also prevents wear and tear on fabrics, especially the most delicate ones, causing less mess, removes stains, and helps soften them. Another advantage is the reduction of discarded packaging since it can be reused. See how simple it is. Write down the ingredients. 3 liters of water, 1 bar, 200 grams of grated coconut or neutral soap, 50 milliliters rubbing alcohol, 3 tablespoons baking soda, 5 to 10 milliliters essential oil of your choice. Optional: lavender, rosemary, lemongrass, sweet orange, whatever you like. Bring the water to a boil in a large pot and add the grated soap once it boils. Stir until completely dissolved. Then turn off the heat and wait 5 minutes. After this time, add the alcohol, stir it, add the baking soda, stir again, and wait for it to cool. After an hour, add the essential oil of your choice and transfer the soap to a clean plastic PET bottles or gallons. Then pour the desired amount to the washing machine and run the wash cycle as usual. Besides being simple and easy to make, it's economical, effective at cleaning, and lasts a long time. By choosing to make your own soap, you save a lot because the resources used are accessible and more sustainable. Did you like the recipe? If you already use a homemade recipe, tell me about it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, and if you've gotten this far, write laundry in the comments. Don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this recipe with them.